Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Mercedes G500 and this is G-Wagon. I'm going to remove the cluster panel, or we call it instrument panel. If you don't have the tools, the hooking tools or the key tools which you put it in and you remove the cluster panel, if you don't have it, how you can remove it, that I'm going to share with you, and this procedure will work with all the Mercedes. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To open the cluster panel, I'm going to use these tools. This is a letter opener. If you don't have it, you can use something like this. This is a nail filer. You always can borrow from your lady, or even you have a thin flathead screwdriver, you can use that. You don't need two of these, you just need one. So what are you gonna do? You come down here and you see the hole on one on this side and one hole on this side. Put the letter opener inside. You're going to press right here. You heard that? That releases the lock, and then you pull it, and as you see, the instrument cluster comes out. What exactly it happens when we insert this one inside? What it does, it opens this lock, and then you remove the cluster panel. Now you can take the cluster panel out, and this procedure will work with all the Mercedes. And when you're done with your cluster panel, doing updating something, LED lights or something else, then you put it back and you push it in and it snaps in. So you've seen it was so easy. Without any tools, you can open your cluster panel using letter opener. So if this video helped you out in any way, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.